Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows preview update with the error code KB5055613 failed to install in Windows 11 computer. So KB5055613 update for Windows 11 versions 24H2 was released on April 11, 2025, and the beta channel for Windows Insiders updating the OS to build 26120.3863. So this error caused by shaky internet connectivity, corrupt system files, and corrupt Windows update cache. And then I'll show you solutions that it could help to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check relevant services. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type this services, and then click open. And once you open up the services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows update service. So you scroll down, and then you need to find this Windows update service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. So if it is already running the service, and then you need to right click and select restart. But if the service is not running, and then double click and open properties. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click, and then here at general properties, startup type, and then you need to select automatic, and then here at service status, and then you need to click this start, and wait to complete start process, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after at Windows Update Service, and the next keyword that we need to modify is the background intelligent transfer service. So scroll up, and then we need to find that service. So once you find already this background intelligent transfer service, so same procedure, select and then right click, and then check if this service is running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, and then next keyword that we need to modify is the cryptographic service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, and then all you have to do is to select restart and wait to complete restart process. Alright, and after that, and the last keyword that we need to modify is the Windows installer service. So scroll down again, and then find this Windows installer service. So same procedure, select and then right click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click, and then here at general properties, so since you can see this the grayed out for startup type, so all you have to do is to select the service status, click start, and wait to complete start process, and then click OK. Alright, so after here at services, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings, and then click open. And then here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters, and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side, then you can see here this run, and then click, and pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and this is the result. Problems found, Windows Update issues, and also you can view the detailed informations about these issues, and then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here, the Windows Update troubleshooters, and then we need to close, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix error KB5055613 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.